Padma Basic, or Padma 28, the way it's called in Europe, is based on a traditional Tibetan herbal formula called Gambar 25, which is manufactured and researched by Padma AG, a Swiss pharmaceutical company that was founded in the early 60s by Karl Lutz. His Holiness the Dalai Lama recently paid a visit to learn more about how Padma AG is integrating modern science with ancient wisdom, how they're applying modern research and methodology to analyze and produce and study a traditional herbal Tibetan formula. Who should use Padma Basic? Padma Basic is really suitable for everyone. For anyone that wants to protect and improve their immune system, their circulatory system, their cardiovascular system. What Padma Basic does from a traditional point of view is, first, it cools down the energy. It has a cooling effect. The cooling effect is equivalent in Western medicine to lowering and regulating the inflammatory process. Not suppressing it, but regulating it, which makes a big difference. The other part is that it regulates the flow of energy. This will translate to improving the circulation. Padma Basic has been published in well over 50 different scientific papers, from in vitro studies to different clinical trials to double-blind clinical trials. Padma Basic was specifically found to be effective in peripheral artery disease. Peripheral artery disease, or PAD, is a condition of insufficient circulation of arterial blood, of oxygen, to our legs. When I say found to be effective, it means that it was found to be effective in multiple well-done and well-published clinical trials, including a published meta-analysis study. Why is this so exciting? To publish a meta-analysis study means that somebody took different studies, put them together, and analyzed all the studies and found out that based on all the studies, indeed, the substance has merit, has benefits. That's why Padma Basic has a solid track record as an effective support for peripheral circulation. Naturally, because it helps circulation, it will also help circulation in the heart, will also help circulation in the brain, and because of its ability to regulate the inflammatory process and give antioxidant support, it's a well-established immune enhancer. One of the interesting studies that was recently published on Padma Basic was on its ability to prevent the need for root canals. The study was done on about 50 patients, and 80% of them had improvement in their clinical symptoms of pulpitis within days. And this study was done over a long period of time, some patients for up to 5 years. That's an example about how Padma Basic is so powerful, so efficient, not only on a short-term basis, but on a long-term basis.